My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Dinaspur Jela School online class. Dear students, I would like to welcome all of you to my English class today. My dear students, how are you? Hope you are quite well by the grace of Almighty Allah and stay home with your family members safe and sound. My dear students, before going to discuss my class, I would like to introduce myself. I am Muhammad Anisur Rahman, Assistant Teacher, Dinaspur Jela School, Dinaspur. Today, I would like to share my ideas, share my views with the students of class 8 on grammar. So, my dear student, at first, look at the sentences. The weak students are always helped in the class. In this sentence, the subject, the weak students. This subject is here inactive, not active, because the verb of this sentence is not done by the subject. It is done by someone. So, this sentence is in passive mode. Second sentence, the teachers always help the weak students. Here, subject is the teachers. This subject is active, not passive, as the action of the sentence is done by the subject itself. So, this sentence is in active mode. Next one, medicines have been invented to kill the germ. Here, the subject is medicines. The subject is here in passive mode because the action or the verb of this sentence is done by someone. That means by the scientist, not the medicines. So, this sentence is in passive mode. My dear students, do you guess? This sentence are the example of what? Yes. These sentences are the example of voice. So, my dear students, today's topic is voice sense part 1. This topic is very important for you to do better in the examination as well as in your real life situation. It is not only important for you but also for the students who are reading class 6 to 11. My dear students, before going to discuss, I would like to inform about learning outcome. At the end of the sentence, at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to know the definition and classification of voice, identify active and passive voice easily, change active to passive and vice versa. Before going to discuss, we should know the definition and classification of voice. Definition of voice. Voice is the form of the verb which shows whether the subject does the work or something has been done to it. That means the action of the sentence is done by the subject itself or done to something or someone. Classification. There are two kinds of voice. One, active voice. A verb is in active voice when it tells us something that a person or a thing does. That means here the action of the sentence is done by the subject. Example, I received the letter. Here subject I and verb receive. Here the subject is active as the action is done by the subject itself. So it is the example of active voice. Passive voice. A verb is in passive voice when it tells us something that is done to a person or a thing. That means the action of the sentence is done to something or someone. Example, the letter was received by me. Here, the subject, the letter, and verb received. In this sentence, the action is done by someone. So, it is the example of passive voice. Now, rules to change the subject and the object in active and passive voice. Look at the chart. Subject, object. If the subject is I, object will be me. We will be us. You will be you. He will be him. She will be her. They will be them. Noun will be noun. That means active voice এ pronoun গুলো থাকলে passive voice এ এই pronoun গুলো হবে object হিসেবে. My dear students, rules to change the verb from active to passive or vice versa. Active to passive or passive to active. Verb 1 of active voice will be am is are plus verb 3 in passive voice. Verb 2 will be was, were plus verb 3. Am is are was were of verb with ing will be am is are was were plus be plus verb 3. Have has had plus verb 3 will be have has had plus be plus verb 3. Modal auxiliaries will be modal auxiliaries plus be plus verb 3. Modal auxiliaries can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, ought to, must, am, is, are, was, were to. That means am to, is to, are to, was to, were to. Have, has, had to. That means have to, has to, had to. Am, is, are, was, were, going to. That means am going to, is going to, are going to, was going to, were going to. These are the modal and semi-modal auxiliaries of active voice. And these auxiliaries will be used in active voice, and modal auxiliaries plus be plus verb 3 will be used in passive voice. Assertive sentence. At first we learn the voice of assertive sentence, active to passive or passive to active. Structure of passive voice. Object will be the subject of passive voice. That means the object of active voice will be the subject of passive voice. Verb according to chart, যা আমরা এতক্ষণ শিখলাম. By, generally we use by, but some verbs take to, with, at, in. Subject will be the object. That means the subject of the active voice will be the object of passive voice. Other words or extension may be used before by or after by plus object according to meaning. That means extension যেটা থাকবে সেটা আমরা অর্থ অনুসারে by এর সামনে বসাইতে পারি অথবা অবজেক্ট যখন লিখব প্যাসিভ ভয়েসে তারপরেই আমরা লিখতে পারি অর্থ অনুসারে লিখতে হবে নেক্সট एग्जांपल here he inspired the people to fight for independence here he is subject inspired verb 2 here inspired is verb people object and to fight for independence is used as other words or extension. So if you convert the sentence into passive, we can say the people. That means the object of the active voice will be the subject of the passive voice. Next, inspired. Verb 2 was were plus verb 3 হবে তাহলে the people were inspired to fight for independence extension. Next, by. Then we use the object. The subject of the active voice will be the object of the passive voice him. So the people were inspired to fight for independence by him. Or the people were inspired by him to fight for independence. Here the extension will be placed after by plus object. Next example, more example. Active. People enjoy this game. This game is enjoyed by people. He spent money to help the poor. To help the poor extension. Tourists from home and abroad visit its shore. These are active voice. A hardworking person can see the light of prosperity. Passive voice. Money was spent. Here money object was spent to help the poor by him. Its shore object of active voice. Tourist from home and abroad subject of active voice. So object will be the subject of passive voice its shore. Its shore is visited by tourists from home and abroad. The light of prosperity can be seen by a hard-working person. Sometimes other preposition can be used after some verbs instead of by. That means some verbs takes other preposition instead of by. Past participle of verb preposition. Known. Known এর পরে preposition ব্যবহার করব আমরা to, not by. Pleased, displeased, ceased, satisfied, dissatisfied, filled, annoyed. After these verbs, we will use with. Here, surprised, marveled, shocked, stunned, frightened, annoyed. এরপরে ব্যবহার করব আমরা to. Here, annoyed. Here, annoyed. Annoyed যদি কোনো ব্যক্তির সঙ্গে হয় অর্থাৎ বিরক্তিটা যদি ব্যক্তির সঙ্গে প্রকাশ পায় তাহলে with ব্যবহার হবে আর annoyed যদি ব্যক্তির ব্যবহারের জন্য হয় তাহলে তারপরে to ব্যবহার করতে হবে contained in more example the news pleased me I was pleased with the news. Panic seized me. I was seized with panic. I know the man. The man is known to me. The wicked man annoyed me. I was annoyed with the wicked man. Here বিরক্তিটা ব্যক্তির সঙ্গে. So here we use with. His rude behavior annoys me. I am annoyed at his rude behavior. Next, if the active sentence is with double object, it is better to choose as object that is just after verb. That means object যদি ডাবল হয়, দুইটা অবজেক্ট যদি থাকে, তাহলে আমরা ভার্বের ঠিক পরেই যে অবজেক্টটা থাকবে সেটাকে সাবজেক্ট হিসেবে ব্যবহার করব প্যাসিভ ভয়েসে, এবং অন্যটিকে বাইয়ের সামনে অথবা শেষে লিখব, সেন্টেন্সের শেষে লিখব। এক্সাম্পল, she gave me a pen. She gave me a pen. Here me and a pen are objects of this active sentence. So me কে আমরা ব্যবহার করব অবজেক্ট হিসাবে, কারণ এটা এই ভার্বের ঠিক পরেই আছে। তাহলে I was given a pen by him. Next, active, Mr. Kamal teaches us English. Here we use subject us we. We are taught English by Mr. Kamal. More examples. He did a lot of things for me. Here verb did, a lot of things object for me. A lot of things were done for me by him. The teacher explained the problem to the students. The problem was explained to the students by the teacher. We elected him chairman. He was elected chairman by us. They called him a fool. He was called a fool by him. Use of reflexive pronoun. If reflexive pronoun myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, themselves is in active voice, অর্থাৎ active voice যদি এই সকল reflexive pronoun ব্যবহার হয়, there is no need to exchange subject and object in passive voice, অর্থাৎ passive voice এর subject এবং object কে exchange করতে হবে না, চেঞ্জ করতে হবে না। Only the verb will be changed, শুধুমাত্র ভার্ব নিয়ম অনুসারে চেঞ্জ হবে। যেমন এক্সাম্পলে বলা হচ্ছে we should help ourselves. We should be helped by ourselves. That means here we, here also we. আচ্ছা, ourselves object, in passive voice ourselves is also object. She hurt herself. She was hurt by herself. Use of bare infinitive. Bare infinitive. Use to in passive voice if the active sentence is with bare infinitive verb. Bare infinitive verb গুলো হলো make, feel, know, do, go, say. অর্থাৎ এই সকল ভার্ব যখন কোনো সেন্টেন্সে ব্যবহার হয়, এই সব নন ফিনিট ভার্ব হিসাবে, তখন এই সকল ভার্বের সামনে যে টুটা থাকে সেটা মাঝে উজ্জ্ব থাকতে পারে। সেক্ষেত্রে প্যাসিভ ভয়েসের সময় আমরা টু ব্যবহার করব, সেটাতেই বলা হয়েছে। এক্সাম্পল, অ্যাক্টিভ, I heard him say this. প্যাসিভ ভয়েসে he was heard to say, here to say this by him. Another one, they saw the boy go to school. The boy was seen to go to school by them. Use of passive passive verb. If the active sentence has quasi-passive verb with adjective complement, the rule of passive form will be subject, be verb, verb 3, adjective or complement, or subject plus be verb, adjective plus when it is plus verb 3. Possessive verb কি? পসিপেসিভ ভার্ব হচ্ছে যে ভার্ব যে সেন্টেন্সকে দেখতে অ্যাক্টিভ কিন্তু অর্থের দিক থেকে প্যাসিভ, সেই সকল সেন্টেন্সের ভার্বটা পসিপেসিভ ভার্ব বলা হয়। Here the examples are honey tastes sweet. Here passive form honey is tasted sweet, or in traditional form, this is modern form. Traditional structure, honey is sweet when it is tasted. The bed feels soft. The bed is felt soft, or the bed is soft when it is felt. Rice sells cheap. Rice is sold cheap. But if the possessive verb is without complement or adjective, the structure of passive will be subject, auxiliary verb plus being plus verb 3. Example, the house is building. Here there is no complement or adjective after verb or at the end of the sentence. The house is being built. The book is printing. The book is being printed. The cow is milking. The cow is being. If the active form is verb, if the active form is subject plus want, desire, wish, like, love, infinitive, verb plus object হয়। That means subject এই ভার্বগুলোর যে কোনো একটা ওয়ান্ট, ডিজায়ার, উইশ, লাইক, লাভ, তারপরে আবার টু প্লাস ভার্ব যদি থাকে এবং শেষে অবজেক্ট থাকে, তাহলে প্যাসিভ ফর্ম উইল বি সাবজেক্ট মেনশনড ভার্ব। মেনশনড ভার্ব মিন্স এখানে ওয়ান্ট, ডিজায়ার, উইশ, লাইক, লাভ যে কোনো ভার্বটা একটা ভার্ব, তারপরে অবজেক্টটি লিখবো আমরা, তারপরে টু বি, তারপরে ইনফিনিটিভ যুক্ত ভার্বটার ভার্ব 3 হবে। যেমন উদাহরণ দেখলে পরিষ্কার হবে বিষয়টা। এক্সাম্পল, হি ওয়ান্টস টু সেল দ্য হাউস। হেয়ার উল্লেখিত ভার্ব ওয়ান্টস, টু সেল ইনফিনিটিভ, দ্য হাউস অবজেক্ট। তাহলে হি ওয়ান্টস দ্য হাউস টু বি সোল্ড। আই লাইক টু ডু দ্য সাম। I like the sum to be done. My dear students, that is all. Now homework. Homework for you. Modern science has created wonders. He sold the eggs in the market. We must follow the traffic rules. The students can solve the problem slowly. We should take care of them. They enjoy the beauty of nature. He respects his teacher. The pen writes well. I want to buy a pen. We should take steps to remove illiteracy. Thank you for all. Thank you to stay with us. Bye bye.